Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a quick little video on a little bit of makeup haul that I picked up recently. We just started the new year and I wanted to share with you what I've picked up recently. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. So I did do a little bit of shopping this month. I know I said it was a low buy, but I could explain. Like some were sent to me. Some is from Amazon, which is not that expensive, and then some of it I have a gift card for. See, that's how I'm justifying everything. That's what I'm going to go with. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Let's start off with these little lovers right over here. These are the Cutie Patootie Revlon Super Lustrous Glass Shine Balms. I did do a video a couple of videos ago about these fantabulous lip smackins, and I did say I was going to go back and grab some more, which I did. I'll put that video right over here in the cards if you want to take a look at it, but these are so stinking good. So I did go back and pick up two more. And let's see, what colors did I pick up? I did go back and pick up rum raisin, even though I said I really didn't care for it. I'm not even sure if I'm going to like it. It's like that 90s kind of burgundy, brownish orange kind of color, which I'm not really a fan of, but girl, everybody's talking about it. So I did grab the rum raisin. And of course, we're going to do a whole video trying out all this stuff. You know that. And then the other one I picked up was, what the heck is this one? I really can't see what the name of it is. So let me just open it. They are so good. I have on Girly Swirly right now with the Revlon lip liner in nude. This one is Cherry Luster. So super excited about that. I did go to Ulta the other day and I picked up a new glue, my new brow glue. And this one is in dark brown. When I looked at my old one, it said espresso, but I didn't see it. I should have picked up black because my eyebrows are so stinking dark, but I love this product. So I grabbed that. And then I also picked up two e.l.f. Lip liners, which I adore. I grabbed the one in, oh darn it, I think this is the one this is Mauve Aside, which I already have. And then this one I picked up is Truth or Bear. So I think I'm going to go back and return this or exchange it. Like, this must have been in the wrong slot because I have this one. But these are so stinking good. So I'm definitely going to go back. I'm definitely going to go back and exchange that one. And then I got a package from Merit. Okay, so this is their bronzing balm. And I picked up the shade in Seine. S-E-I-N-E. Look how beautiful that looks. You know, I don't want to swatch anything because we'll do that. We'll do all that in the next video. So I grabbed that. Then I got a package from Ulta. I did an order online. This was a while ago. I was just trying to hold off because I knew I had other orders coming in. And I think I actually, now that I'm sitting down doing this video, I think I have Sigma sent me an email that they were going to send me something. So if by chance, by the time I edit this video, after the package comes in, I will just put it in at the end of the video. I don't remember what it was, but they did send me an email a couple of days ago. Okay, dokes, let's see here. Oh, this one came free. This came free with the with my order. It's a waterproof Epic eyeliner. Girl, you know how I feel about wiggly wings. I can't do it. And is this a liquid? Let's see. This is milk chocolate, waterproof. Yeah, it looks like a liquid eyeliner. Girl, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do my best. I did go back and repurchase this foundation, which I adore. This is the Makeup Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation because my daughter took my other one. She really loved it, and I love it too. So I just replaced it. So I got that. And then, of course, you know that, girl. I got the new Natasha Denona mini eyeshadow palette. This is her all matte. Yes, ma'am. The mini eye sculpt palette. I adore her. I adore her. Did I need it? No. Are any of these colors extraordinarily fabulous? Absolutely not. I'm sure every single color here, I already have. But I love her. Listen, I am not gonna not grab one of her palettes, especially when they're minis. I mean, I know they're still $27, but I love her formula. So we're definitely gonna use that. And then a package from e.l.f., which I think I wanted to grab this because I love their the brush and sponge makeup cleaner, and I think they just reformulated it. So I'm like, let me have it, because that's the only stuff I use. Although somebody mentioned something from Ulta that you can clean like in between. I can't remember. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Can you leave it down below? Yeah. So this is the Clean Queen Solid Brush and Sponge Cleaner. Yeah, this one's, I think, reformulated from e.l.f., which I absolutely love. Yep, I got 2 of them. And I figured while I'm there, I might as well get some more. And then I picked up 2 of the Glow Reviver lip oils in the glimmer finish. Ooh, that is so stinking pretty. Let's see, this one I got this one I got in Crystal Baller. Ooh, that is so gorgeous. Wow, that's beautiful. And then this one I got in Candy Coated. Ooh, that is so stinking pretty. So I got that. And then I got another one of their Finest Fleck glitter eyeshadow, which I adore. And this one is in White Hot. I have like 3 or 4 of them. So damn good. So good. So I wanted to get this one. And then last but not least, you know I had to do it. This was my only like splurgy purchase, if you will. Help a sister out here. Everything else was cheaper. But you know I had to get it. So I picked up the shade She Goes to the Gym. Although I am eyeballing that doggone, that red one. It is gorgeous. So here's the beautifulness, deliciousness. We know how fabulous he is. Sucks that your fingerprints get all over it. Yeah, that is so friggin' pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. So that we're definitely going to be using. Out of curiosity, I'm just curious to see if we're going to have like a full face of new products. Let's see here. So we got the blush, we got a bronzer, we have foundation, we have some eyeshadows, we have some eyebrow, we got some lip liners, lip smacking sticks, lip oils, and we got a liquid liner. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but I think we could almost do a full face-ish sort of kind of. But anyway, so that is it, guys. This is just my quick video of a cute little haul that I have accumulated so far in 2025. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.